Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. LAnsePleureuse is a small coastal hamlet in the Haute-Gaspésie region of Quebec. It is part of the municipality of Saint-Maxime-du-Mont-Louis on the north shore of the Gaspé Peninsula. The community sits near the mouth of the Ruisseau des Olives, with the Gulf of St. Lawrence nearby and the Chic-Choc Mountains rising inland. LAnsePleureuse developed as part of a coastal region where fishing was one of the traditional ways of making a living. Cod fishing was particularly important throughout this section of the Gaspé coast. The nearby communities depended on the Gulf of St. Lawrence for food and income, while the forest provided another important resource. The history of the surrounding Saint-Maxime-du-Mont-Louis area goes back much further than the modern communities. A fishing post was established at Mont-Louis in the late 17th century. 12 families were recorded there in 1697, and by 1699 there were 53 families. The development of Murdochville was another important change for the region. Beginning in the 1950s, the copper mine at Murdochville created employment and became an important economic driver for communities throughout the area. Roads connecting the coast with the interior also made it easier for people in places such as LAnsePleureuse to reach other parts of the Gaspé Peninsula. Today, forestry is one of the major economic activities in Saint-Maxime-du-Mont-Louis. Fishing and fish processing are also important. Some people also work in nearby communities, so the local economy is closely connected with the rest of Haute-Gaspésie. The surrounding landscape provides plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities. The coast offers access to the Gulf of St. Lawrence, while the forests and mountains inland are used for hiking, hunting, fishing, snowmobiling, and all-terrain vehicle activities. The area also attracts people looking for coastal scenery and access to the larger Gaspé Peninsula. One of the interesting things about LAnsePleureuse is its location. It is only about 7 kilometers east of Mont-Louis, but it also provides access toward the interior of the Gaspé Peninsula. Route 198 begins in the area and heads inland toward places such as Murdochville and Gaspé. This makes LAnsePleureuse more than just a coastal settlement. It is also a link between the coast and the interior. LAnsePleureuse is a small community, but its history reflects many of the larger themes of the Gaspé Peninsula: fishing, forestry, changing transportation routes, and the movement of people toward larger employment centers. Its old coastal traditions and location between the Gulf of St. Lawrence and the mountains make it a distinctive part of Haute-Gaspésie. Thanks for watching!